quadrilateral is a four-sided shape, and in this video, I would like to look at the rhombus. A rhombus has 5 important characteristics. Before we start, let's sketch a quick rhombus, and we can call it A, B, C, D. Now, unlike a parallelogram, in a rhombus, all 4 sides are equal in length. This means the length of AB is equal to the length of BC, which is equal to the length of CD, which is equal to the length of AD. Both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. So in this case, AB is parallel to CD. So let's put a small arrow on AB and a small arrow on CD. AD is also parallel to BC. So let's put 2 small arrows on AD and 2 small arrows on BC to show that they are parallel too. Both pairs of opposite angles are equal. This means that angle A, let's make it green, is equal to angle C. So let's make it green as well. Angle B, let's make it purple, is equal to angle D. So let's make this angle purple as well. We know that a diagonal crosses a shape from opposite corners. So let's draw in diagonal AC and diagonal BD. Let's call the point where the diagonals intersect O. Now, just like a parallelogram, the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other. This means that AO is the same length as OC and DO is the same length as OB. But unlike a parallelogram, the diagonals of a rhombus bisect at 90 degrees, so they are perpendicular. This means that every angle at O between 2 adjacent diagonals will be 90 degrees. The 5th characteristic of a rhombus is that not only do diagonals bisect each other, they also bisect interior angles. This means that the diagonals cut each interior angle in half. So this part of angle A is equal to this part. Opposite angles are equal, so angle A is equal to angle C. This means that you can take angle C, cut it in half, and you will have the same value as half of angle A. From this, we can see that half of angle A is equal to this half of angle C and this half as well. This applies to angles B and D as well. So this half of angle B is equal to this half, and these are equal to this half of angle D and this half as well. Remember that a rhombus is a quadrilateral, so just as we've seen before, the interior angles add up to 360 degrees. When working with the rhombus, we may need to use characteristics as reasons to statements that we make. And just like we saw with parallelograms, writing the whole characteristic out word for word can be time consuming. So let's look at shorter ways we can write our reasons. When stating that all 4 sides of the rhombus are equal, we say all sides rhomb, followed by the equal sign. To give a reason that both pairs of opposite sides are parallel, we say opposite sides rhomb, followed by the symbol for parallel. When stating that both pairs of opposite angles are equal, we say up, followed by the angle symbol, rhomb, followed by the equal sign. Diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at 90 degrees, so we need to use 2 separate reasons here. Because diagonals bisect, we say diagonals rhomb bisect. The diagonals create 90-degree angles between them, so they are perpendicular. So as our reason, we say diags rhomb, followed by the symbol for perpendicular. Diagonals of a rhombus also bisect interior angles. So as our reason, we say diags rhomb bisect interior, followed by the angle symbol. Finally, we know the sum of the interior angles of any quadrilateral will be 360 degrees. So as our reason, we simply say interior angles of a quad. Please make sure to learn the characteristics of a rhombus and how we write these as reasons, as you will need them in this course.